on 6, nigga. Pirate with the pirate.
Yeah.
Nike Air Max 1 Dover Street Market.
Check me out.
Black.
Nigga from South Memphis, I think they call him Dolph. About 2009, a little nigga started rapping, but he said he gonna be his own boss. 2010, he dropped his first real mixtape, Welcome to the Dolph World, and he took off. Wait, pause, let me slow down a second. Ask Lil Wook, I came in the game reckless. Ask the fuck niggas, I came in the game flexing. Yeah, he came in the game flexing. I remember 2011, major label came at me and they tried to give me 2 mil.
Wait a minute.
I gave him a handshake, looked him in his eye and said, nah, but I'll talk to you in 2 years. Ask every bad bitch in Memphis, they gon' tell you that he smoked the best weed. And he got the sack. Them little niggas can't pull up like me. With 100 niggas and 100 racks. The streets ain't never seen no shit like it. My first show ever made them give me 5,000. Right there in my city and I threw it in the crowd. Been turned up ever since, bitch. Look at me now. I remember after that night I told my mama that your son about to be a star. Fell asleep plenty of nights on that surf in your garage in my race car. All the bad bitches on my radar. Pull up at myself with the AR. Come through in the coupe like, hey y'all. That young nigga don't play dog. That young nigga don't play fair. 2 million cash, but I don't stay there. At the racks in the cage, never lay there. Treat the trap house like a daycare. I'm the one taught all these young niggas how to say fuck your big homie and go get you a plug. That's why you had all them grizzly players smoking all that gas, and guess where it came from? Yeah, I bought all of the drip to the city. These little niggas wasn't even on this shit yet. I came in this bitch rocking Prada and Gucci and Dolce and talking about ownership, yeah. I just love stacking this shit up. I like how it look. I play with it like Legos.
Stack it up.
Full of that drink. I DM Rihanna, told her let's go spend $500,000 on Rodeo. Real rich nigga. How you know you rich nigga? Cause I got rich niggas on my payroll. My little boy in kindergarten went to school wearing Gucci. Told his classmate, yeah, these my play clothes. It's a celebration, need me some Ace. Somebody call Jigga, tell him that I need 50 caseloads. Me and all of the gang gon' drink all that shit and pour all the rest on the floor.